WWE City. Take the next exit because it's just that good.
I'm The Miz, and I'm awesome. Who's awesome? 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 I am. Kane, you're back. I thought we'd never see you again after you lost that last match. Not that I agreed with the decision. Not the face, not the face, not the face!
Welcome to WWE City. Take the next exit because it's just that good.
Whoa! Oof. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! You keep on going, Kane! You're lucky! You got off easy this time! Who's awesome? I'm awesome. Who's awesome? I'm awesome. Who's awesome? Who's in there? That you, Kane? Come on. Come on out and get some. That all you got, Yogi? My face!
Welcome to WWE City. Take the next exit because it's just
Really? Unnecessary roughness.
Are you pumped and ready? Hope your nerves are steady. Let's go make some history. Solve ourselves a mystery. We won't stop until the battle's done. The monster caught, the case is won. How could a fright feel so good? Champions and idols take down any rival, fighting for survival till they win the title. They don't stop until the battle's done. The bell's rung, the rumble won. How could a fight feel so fun? Look out! John Cena is the doctor of thugonomics! You can't see me! You can't see me at all! Like no one can touch John Cena!
Sankara can. Scooby-Doo.
1, 2, 3. Sin Cara wins it!
Way to go, Scooby-Doo, old buddy!
Booyah, Dooby-Doo!
Congratulations! You just beat the game on the hardest level ever. Double, triple, beatdown extreme. But can you complete the victory dance?
Oh, yeah?
It's all yours, pal. You earned it.
Perfect score!
Hello there, I'm Vince McMahon, Chairman and CEO of WWE.
Mr. McMahon, we're not worthy.
Because you beat the game on this level and executed a perfect score on the victory dance, you win a special prize.
We did?
You've won an all-expense-paid trip to WWE City. Come revel in a place dedicated to everything WWE. It'll be a week of fun and excitement, culminating in ringside seats at Wrestlemania. Don't miss it.
Report to training camp in WWE City as soon as possible with this game disc as proof of your win to claim your prize.
Like Wrestlemania? You gotta be kidding me! Think of it!
The fun.
The fans! The food! We gotta go, old pal. Like we just gotta go! We gotta go! Like we just gotta go! It's the ultimate slam-tastic, life-affirming experience of a lifetime! It's WrestleMania!
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. It's not something we're really into.
And I have a lot of reading to catch up on. No thank you.
Like, come on, guys. Scoob and I never ask for anything. Like, I can't count how many times the two of us were bait to catch some crazy mask-wearing villain.
Yeah.
I got the photos to prove it. Take a good look, people. Exhibit A. Like, here's the time you guys made us dress like giant tools to catch the monstrous mechanic. Or as ducks to catch the horrific huntsman. Or when we had to be the cow to catch the crazed cowgirl from beyond the grave. Scooby-Doo almost got milked.
It was so humiliating.
And la piste del resistance. The time we posed as Senor Pepe Jose in the dancing hairless Chihuahua Don Piero to catch the ghastly gordito of Guadalajara.
Yeah, the hair didn't even grow back in some places.
Scooby was naked. Look at it. Just look at it.
No, okay. We get it.
You win, Shaggy.
Win? Wait, what?
I was actually thinking about taking a trip anyway to try out my new Illudium Q36 digital SLR camera and optical stabilizer zoom lens. Maybe I can snap some action-packed pictures.
And this will give me an opportunity to explore the parallels between the modern world of WWE versus ancient warrior customs. Besides, it beats another weekend with Grandpa Dinkley and his mysterious odor problem.
Scooby-Doo almost got milked.
The hair didn't even grow back in some places.
Okay, we'll go to WrestleMania.
WWE City, here we come!
Oh, boy.